Welcome to our channel. Let's dive straight into how you can fix blocked transactions on your Capital One account efficiently. And without hassle, welcome to our channel. If you've ever faced the frustration of a blocked transaction on your Capital One card, you're not alone. Blocked transactions can happen for various reasons, including suspected fraud, unusual spending patterns, or system glitches. But don't worry, we'll walk through the exact steps to get this fixed smoothly. Step 1. Start by verifying your transaction details. Check your recent activity via the Capital One mobile app or online banking platform to identify which transaction was blocked and confirm. If you recognize it, next step, reach out to Capital One customer service. You can call the number on the back of your card or use the in-app messaging feature. Explain the situation clearly, give them details about the blocked transaction, and verify your identity. This is so they can confirm if the block was triggered due to suspicious activity. Or another reason, step 3, if the block was due to fraud alert, ask the agent to unblock the transaction. After verifying your identity, they may need to ask some security questions or send a verification code for confirmation. Step 4, if the transaction remains blocked for a different reason, such as account limits or restrictions, ask the agent for guidance on how to resolve those specific issues. Sometimes you might need to update your account information or verify recent transactions. Step 5. After resolving the issue, request confirmation from the agent that the transaction is now cleared and that your account is fully functional. Step 6. Monitor your account for a few days after resolving the block to ensure no other transactions encounter issues. If you notice any further problems, don't hesitate to contact Capital One support again, as preventative care helps avoid future blocks. Step 7. Consider setting up alerts for your Capital One account transactions. This proactive step helps you immediately know if any transaction is being declined or blocked, so you can act quickly. Remember, keeping your account secure is important, so always update your passwords and keep your contact information current with Capital One. Now, you know exactly how to manage and fix blocked transactions easily and keep your banking experience smooth and worry-free. Don't stress over a blocked transaction, as following these steps will get you back on track quickly. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful banking tips and guides.